So my millionaire brother, so today video is going to very special for my Holochain brother, and today I have one special good news for Holochain holder. Congratulations, this news is very important from you, and today I have talked about you the Holochain moving to the live price prediction. Today this is the last 1 day price prediction. Please remember, I have one good news for you and I talk you in this video. So let's get started the live price prediction of Holochain. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please click on the red button, subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news, and also press the like button. Please like this video if you enjoy this. Okay, so this time, if you can see here, guys, the Holochain has totally gone down. You can see here they're very badly gone down. Why they badly down? The price why and decreased hour by hour. What we do and this time is everything I explain in this video. You can see here that the price has totally gone down, and also the change occur 2.14% they are gone down, my friends. 2.14% they are gone down, and this time the latest price is 0.01904 US dollars. So this is very badly down. The price is decreased hour by hour. You can see here also BTC and Ethereum also you can see here the price is going down. Why they go down? This is one big reason I explain you. Okay, but before, first of all, I'm gonna show you the market cap chart. So what's going on in the market cap chart? If you can see here, the market cap is totally goes down 2.35%. Why the market cap is goes down 35%? This is second question. So remember this. Okay, remember this. You can see your full diluted market cap also going down 2.36%. It's mean to fully completely Holochain goes down, my friends. What we do and this critical situation? This is third question. Okay, the volume is very important part. You can see here, and they are 44% in the last 24 hour goes down. Why they goes down? You can see here the volume market cap as 0.1983%. 83. So my friends, if they're going like this, then what we do in this critical situation: sell, hold, buy. These three are the main things which we do in this critical situation, and every situation, good or bad, these three things is very important, and everyone decide this personally. But I just share my opinion in this video, so understand to what I talk you. Please tell me if you are losting, then please tell me in a comment box. If you are losting, then what are you doing? Selling, buying, holding? This is very important question for you, and if you did not understand this, you cannot answer me in this question, then you are not a best crypto holder. You remember this too. You are and totally in the loss. Then join any team and any group and invest. I cannot. This is not a financial video. I just advise you. I cannot advise you to invest in Holochain or other. I just tell you, if you are invest any cryptocurrency, then research personally. Absolutely, this is good for you to you research personally. Okay, so this is very important talk. Sorry for this, but this is not a part of this video. But I telling you, because if you are any crypto holder, then this is good news. Then this is good information for you. Please information. This information is very important, guys. If you are if your crypto, if your coin is going up, then absolutely this is waiting for good time. Today going up. Mostly they're going up. If you can see here in the chart result, I tell you practically, you can see here, if they're going up like this, you can see here this point is good point to you just sell it. Absolutely, this point is good point. So if you sell it, and this time the price is going up, and this time the price is, I think, 0.0216 US dollars. So if sell it at this time, then they give you a 0.0216 US dollar and the one coin of Holochain. But if you sell it at this time, this point, you can see here they're selling, they are going down, they're starting dumping, then give you a price as one Holochain coin 0.02 US dollar. So here is very small price, and here is very high price. So if you sell it this time, they give you a millionaire, they give you a good profit. But if you sell it this time, you are in the loss. So remember, you are in the loss. So don't sell it, please. I hope you understand this what I tell you. So at this time they've gone very badly down. You can see here this time people, some people tell me, sorry for that too, I'm very angry this time. So people tell me today are going down, you can see here the totally gone down, and we are going to sell it. So this is stupid thing what you are doing at this time. This is very stupid. My lol, please, this is very bad. You are doing very badly. You are in the loss totally. Please understand what I tell you. If they are going down, then please don't sell it. Hold it and wait for good time to they start. When they starting moving up, then absolutely people starting buying this, then therefore they're going up. But if people starting selling, then they are going down. So please don't sell it. Hold it and wait for the good time to they going up, then sell it. Okay, please understand this. Hope you understand it. So HoloChain, the good news is that the HoloChain giveaway is coming soon, and I announce a giveaway special. I make video for that, but this time I request you to please complete my 10,000 subscribe, then I do a giveaway. Okay, so 10,000 subscribe is not a very high task. I hope you do it. Please complete my 10,000 subscribe. Thanks for subscription. Thanks for subscription. And some people ask me to why you did not doing a live streaming. So if we starting live streaming before after complete you 10,000 subscribe. So first of all complete my 10,000 subscribe, then we are starting live streaming. Absolutely, some people go join us, so this is good for everyone. Okay, so HoloChain holders, please don't sell it. Hold it. And what's your opinion? Please share me and a comment box. This time HoloChain going down, so this is does not mean to HoloChain as very bad crypto coin, and they're going especially down. They cannot take again jump. So wait for a good time. I hope at the end of this month, I hope they give you a good profit. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.